Welcome to Civil Services with ZAKI. Today we are going to discuss about the blue jet lightning. So in this discussion, we can discuss about the topic of what is blue jet lightning and what are the process in the blue jet lightning and what are the devices that detect the blue jet lightning in the International Space Station, or we call short ISS. And we also discuss about the various phenomena in our environment, from troposphere to stratosphere, upper stratosphere and ionosphere, and also see some lights on the what is ELVES and what is the device which detect and which capture the video of the project lightning, and also see what is thunderstorm and what is the cumulonimbus cloud. So briefly, we will discuss all these. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel and tell your friends and colleagues about our video lessons, because these videos especially made for civil services examination, basically IAS 2021 PTA special, and I hope it will be 10 to 12 or 10 to 15 questions, but definitely you get in the our all topics. And basically also know our it is a set of 45 videos, so these videos are very significant. So we move forward and see today's topic and discuss about the blue jet light. So let's start with today's topic, blue jet lightning. So see, basically the scientists from the International Space Station ISS had observed a bright blue lightning bolt that is shooting upward from the thundercloud. So basically such blue jets are hard to observe from the ground because the electrical discharge emerges from the top of the thundercloud, but from the space one can easily observe this phenomenon. So see how basically if you see this is the cloud and this is blue. So one observer basically observed from the ground cannot see because these thick clouds. But scientists are on board International Space Station. They can easily observe this blue jet light. So that's why this is very significant, and also talk more about what are the phenomena involved in the basically this blue light. So basically, this blue jet lightning captured by a device called ASIM. Basically, ASIM is basically atmospheric space interaction monitor, and in short, we can call it ASIM instrument. So the ASIM instrument of ESA, basically this instrument was built by ESA, a European Space Agency, at the space station, had captured a blue jet shooting from the thunderstorm cell near a small island in Central Pacific Ocean on February 26, 2019. And basically this island is called Nauru, and also we see in the animation about the island and island over the various sphere of this island. So we move forward and see the scientists have observed 5 intense flashes of blue light, and each of the lightning lasted about 10 to 20 milliseconds. So it is in less than second and very fast lightning captured by ASIM. So after that, the blue jet moved out from the cloud towards a narrow dome shape stretching into the stratosphere. So it is go upward from the stratosphere. And what are blue jets? So see what are blue jets and why this is very significant to observe a blue jet from the International Space Station. So blue jets are initiated as normal lightning discharge. Basically, it is previously basically it is a normal lightning discharge from upward, and basically it is seen from the space. So it emerges between the upper positive charge region in the thunder cloud and a negative screening layer above the charge region. So it is means it is upper and it is lower, and then attraction is upper and lower, positive and negative charge generate this type of object. So see, and we move forward and see the positive and wind network filled with the negative charge region. After that, the negative is filled with the positive. It's both this time. And after that, the interaction, and after interaction, the project emerge. So after that, the positive exit the cloud and start propagating up. And so earlier it was believed. So this is the new phenomenon discovered by the recent science. But earlier it was believed that the blue jets are directly related to the lightning flashes, but it is the result of the. So if you know what is the hailstone, what is the precipitation, and what is the sleet, diamond dust, and all that, then you must join our geography class, and you also subscribe my channel for a small video in which we describe what is hailstone, what is diamond dust, what is sleet, what is snowfall, what is rainfall, what is the light rain, what is the heavy rain, and all that. So you must join our also Zoom class, and tell your friends and colleagues to subscribe my channel, because my channel is basically dedicated for 45 video for this PT, and I hope this will be very significant videos for all the competitive examination. So the blue jet are brighter than the sprites and are blue in color. So basically, sprites are the red in color, and basically it is just below the ellipse, and we also see the elements and what is ellipse, what is it is it. So the blue color of the jet is a result of blue and near blue ultraviolet rays. So what is why this is blue? Because it is the near ultraviolet emissions light from the neutral, blue and near ultraviolet, from neutral and ionized molecule of color. So basically it is one molecule is neutral and another molecule is charged. So that it is the interaction with the nitrogen molecules with the result between the blue and yellow ultraviolet emissions from the light. So if you want to know about, as we know, our atmosphere contains 78% of the. So nitrogen also the abundantly present in our atmosphere. And if you want to know about the phenomenon of the various stage and space, then you must join our class. And also, if you want to the two-way communication with me, then you also contact me with the following number given in our YouTube channel. So we move forward and see the blue jet were recorded. So first blue jet were recorded in October 21st, 1989 for the first time. So first time blue jet was recorded in 1989 in October 1989. So we move forward and show the thunderstorm. So what is thunderstorm? So basically, it is also known as electrical storm or lightning storm. Thunderstorm is also known as electrical storm or lightning storm. So it is characterized by the presence of the lightning and acoustics, means the huge amount of the sound effect of the Earth atmosphere, that is thunder. So if you see the loud sound of the thunder, that is the acoustic effect of the thunder, and it is basically it is called thunderstorm. If you want more about what is thunderstorm and what are the phenomena involved in the thunderstorm, then you must watch our short video, which will be shortly present after this lecture. So for that, you must subscribe our channel, so get informed early. So we move forward and see this phenomenon is usually taking place in the Cumulonimbus Cloud, and the thunderstorm is also accompanied by a strong wind and heavy rain, and it could be also lead snow, sleet, or rain. So as earlier, if you want what is snow, what is sleet, what is hailstone, and where this hailstone basically form, and what are the types of clouds. So if you want to know these, what are the types of cloud and all that, then you must join our environment class and basically geography class for the climatology, and also subscribe my channel for the short video about what is the cloud, what is the types of cloud, what is precipitation, and so please subscribe my channel for these videos, and never forget to tell your friends and colleagues about our initiatives. So we move forward and see Cumulonimbus Cloud. So know about briefly know about what is Cumulonimbus Cloud. So it is called Cumulonimbus. So it is a dense, towering vertical cloud, and it and this cloud is formed by the water vapor, and it is carried by the powerful of water. So this basically a cumulonimbus cloud is a very significant cloud, and it is also found in the stratosphere beyond the troposphere. As you know, most of the uh, atmospheric or weather basically related weather related phenomena happen in the troposphere. But this cumulonimbus cloud present in stratosphere also. So that's why the blue jet is also observed in the stratosphere. So if you want to know about the layer of the atmosphere of the Earth, then you must join our class and also subscribe my channel for these kind of short videos. So we move forward and see a small animation of the so see here, basically observed by the International Space Station. This is your International Space Station. So see, this is so you move forward and see. See the cloud. Basically, this is the high cloud, and basically it is basically cumulonimbus cloud. This is this is and this blue jet was this video of blue jet was captured by the atmospheric space interaction monitor, atmospheric state interaction monitor, or it's called ASIM. Basically, it is built by the European Space Agency. And this device is called this, and it is found basically this project found over there. This island is called No is situated in the Pacific Island. So if you want to know about where is Nod situated and what place and where the all the places and significant places situated on the Earth globe, then you must join our map class. Map class is absolutely free for the 500 subscription. So as you know, you are most of you watching this video, and also our subscriber increase steadily, and I want to uh, more. I want to more subscribers, because when our 500 subscriptions will be completed, then we start mapping. So then you find where is Galapagos Island and all that. Because Galapagos Island is what treasure of nature. So why it is called? Where is it is situated? So map is very simple. So you must join our map. Now, so it is basically Blue Jet recorded over. So see here is the small animation about the our atmosphere. Atmosphere basically it is here is troposphere. This is we can do the stratosphere. So see here, and this is Blue Jet. And if you go and so this is a sprites. The sprites is less brighter than the Blue Jet, and basically it is formed in the mesosphere, and the Blue Jet is go up to the 50 kilometer of the stratosphere. After that, as you know, after 50 kilometer mesosphere begin. So if you want to know more, say then you must subscribe our channel. So after that, this is called ELVES, and basically it is called ELVES. So ELVES is a short form of emission of light and very low frequency perturbations due to electromagnetic pulse sources. So it is called ELVES. So basically it is the contract between the form between the electron of and the nitrogen molecule. So formed by the expanding electron, and then after the yields evolve. So if you see from the space station, you can easily observe the yields. So see here, this is yields. And if you also see here, this is so this is yields, and basically it is absorbed from the international space. So that's all about the Blue Jet lightning captured by the International Space Station. So we move forward, and our next section is question for the UPSC. So see, question for the UPSC. Consider the following statements. The blue color of jet is the result of blue and near ultraviolet emission lines from the neutral and ionized molecular nitrogen. Number 2 statement is thunderstorm phenomenon mostly taking place in the nimbostratus cloud. Which of the above statement is correct? A, one only, B, two only, C, both 1 and 2, D, neither 1 nor 2. So please write your answer in comment box, because practice is very significant for the preliminary examination. So you must answer these questions which provided by the video and all that. So you can ready to answer the UPSC question. So we move forward. Our next section. Next section is answer of the previous question. So see, consider the following: Chasma Borelli, Zizro crater, Korolov crater. Frozen water found in which of the above places on Mars? So as you see our previous video, habitation on Mars, and basically Mars base alpha and Starship and Mars base alpha. So we describe all the places of the Mars, basically Chasma Borelli or Cicero crater not have any frozen water, but Korolov crater It is coronal crater is about 80-kilometer wide crater which have a frozen ice. And Chaspa Borealis is basically situated in the north pole of the Mars. So 1 and 3 is right, 2 is wrong. So A only, it is wrong. 1 and 2, it is also wrong. 1 and 3, it is right. And all of them, it is also. So answer is C. So answer is C. That's all. See about blue jet lightning, which was detected by the International Space Station over the Nauru. Basically, Nauru is a small specific island, and also we discuss about what is this blue jet lightning and what is this ELVES and all that. So tell your friends, colleagues who basically preparing for the competitive examination, which basically it is civil services examination, whether it is UPSC, BPSC, MPSC and other PCS examination, or whether it is all government examination, basically science, environment and science, technology, geography, etc. are very, very significant for the all competitive examination. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and tell your friends, and hope your effort will be never wasted, and you I will soon get our 500 subscription, and after that you will join free math class. So don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Thanks a lot.